Starting a business is exciting, but it can also feel a little overwhelming, right? You're probably wondering where to even begin and what steps you should take. That's exactly why we created the DreamHost Business Planner. Think of it as your AI-powered partner that helps guide you from idea all the way to taking action. Forget spending years in business school or hiring expensive consultants. The DreamHost Business Planner gives you clear, step-by-step guidance when you need it. It helps you answer key questions about your business, provides real-time feedback on your progress, and builds a complete professional business plan, all at your own pace. The business planner walks you through every step of the process, asking the right questions so you don't miss any important details. Feeling stuck? Just click Generate Ideas for AI-powered suggestions tailored to your situation. Need feedback on what you've written? The AI reviews your answers, scores their completeness, and offers personalized advice. And when you're ready, you can turn all of your work into a structured business plan in just moments. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur with a brand new idea, someone building a side hustle, or refining an existing business, this tool is for you. No guesswork, no expensive consultants, just clear, personalized guidance available 24/7. Ready to bring your business idea to life? Get started with the DreamHost Business Planner today.